Hi guys, very warm good morning. Welcome to Psychological Statistics. I am Sarguru from the Department of Mathematics. In today's lecture, we are going to see basics of statistics. Let us see what is statistics actually. Statistics is actually part of mathematics, and it is one of the major part of mathematics in fact. And statistics has many applications in every field. In fact, we cannot say numerous number of fields. In all the fields, we can say statistics has applications, and it is acting as a back-end supported one. And majorly statistics has 4 phases, or in fact we can say 5 phases. Primarily collecting the data, processing, that is presenting and summarizing data, and analyzing the data, and finally we are interpreting the data in a right manner. So basically how the statistics will act. So if say for example we do have medical drugs, that is medicines that we are taking. So how the medicines are giving to human. Before it comes to market, it will be tested, and based on available historical data, so people used to verify whether it is significant or not. Then only it will be available in the market. And you can see there are a lot of disease nowadays coming into the phenomena. How the vaccines are made it, so based on samples taken from the patients, based on the impact of medicine, the vaccination comes to play a major role. And you can see there are elections are taken place, and there are pre-mode sampling which has been taken from different areas. So based on that, estimation made by the different parties. So these are some of the significant areas where statistics plays a major role. And now we can see a case study. So here the case study refers to a 13-year-old boy, wherein which the psychological tool as well as statistical tool plays a major role. Here the boy has a problem called stuttering. Hope you know, stuttering refers to a speech problem. Okay. Here the boy is doing his schooling, and at the age of 4 he had the problem of stuttering. Initially the parents were thinking that he has speech problem. When they took the boy to the doctor analyzed initially, and he suggested to go for speech therapist. When the boy was taken to speech therapist, the speech therapist analyzed the boy's major problem is not stuttering, it is actually depression. So due to depression, the boy had stuttering problem. So now you can see that now the depression influenced the boy to create a stuttering problem. Okay, this is the typical psychological case study. So what we can bring statistical data from this particular case study. Now we are going to see. You can see the boy's age is 13. That is one number which is acting as statistical data, and he is actually a male, and he had a younger brother, and he is living with with the mother, and he was depression because he had been put in hostel. Okay, and also his stuttering problem was started at the age of 4. Okay, these are some of the statistical data which we derived from the last case study. And now we can see the meaning and definition of statistics. So basically, as I told you earlier, statistics refers to the 4 stages, or even we can say extend to 5 stages, that is collection of data, presenting and summarizing data for better understanding, and also analyzing data for the purpose of effective planning, and finally interpreting data for the purpose of implementation. And this particular statistics has a lot of meaning into it. Different authors have gave different meaning, and now we are going to see how the statistical data are. We need to learn some basic elements called elements, variable, and data. What do you mean by element? Element is basically in which you are going to collect the data. Previously in the case study, the boy was element. Okay, so what is variable? So variable, which is nothing but from the element what data or what variable you are going to get. So here the variable is stuttering or depression. Okay, what do you mean by data or observation? So data or observation is nothing but the doctor or the particular speech therapist closely monitor the boy for the purpose of evaluation. That is called observation. So these are all the key elements before getting into statistics we need to know. And now we can see types of data. There are majorly 2 types of data which is available in the field. One is measurable data, another one is non-measurable data. We can rename them as quantitative data as well as qualitative data, right? We can see numerical data and categorical data are the 2 major types, under which numerical data we have continuous as well as we have discrete, and a categorical we have ordinal and nominal data. So these are all like the basics of statistics which we have learned now. Hope you understood and enjoyed the class. We will see the rest in the upcoming class. Thank you.